Yeah, so everyone that's hyping, margin calls, market crash, no. So, this T plus zero settlements that's about to come out, that's already, at the end of this quarter, which is a couple months out. But anyways, I'm just going to read you the benefits of this stuff real quick. So, four major benefits from T plus zero on the DTC side. This is not a good thing for you and I. This is a good thing for them because of these four reasons. Number one, reduction in risk. The elimination of a market day for a substantial percentage of trades would significantly reduce the risk capital required by NSCC to guarantee trades. Number two, capital requirements. The elimination of a market day reduces NSCC clearing fund requirements, creating capital efficiencies for members. Number three, release of trapped liquidity. NSCC would have fewer settlement obligations, potentially reducing the liquidity resources required to guarantee settlement activity. And lastly, but not leastly, Boss Blunts, if you're listening, Dr. Fako Metzler, if you're listening, lessen the risk of insolvency. Improvements in the settlement process would produce a significant reduction in U.S. market risk without the elimination of the massive benefits of centralized netting. So they get to keep netting and lessen the risk of insolvency. Oh no, I guess you're going to have to find something else to talk about. Oh wait, no, that's right. Your following will believe everything you throw at them. So hey, do what you want to do. But anyways, those of you with brain cells, keep in mind, this shit is not going to be crashing. This shit is going to be doing exactly what it's been doing this whole time. What they've planned for it to do. Anything else is just a narrative to distract you or to get your mind on something else, as we've all learned. So anyways, just wanted to reiterate that. Stock market crash, not going to happen.